Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi chicken Yakhni soup easy guide. Start by simmering a whole chicken with 2 liters of water, bay leaf, black pepper, and 1 tablespoon salt to make a clear Yakhni. Skim foam, add ginger, garlic, and 1 carrot for sweetness, then simmer uncovered for 45 minutes. Strain stock, discard solids, shred chicken, then adjust seasoning with lemon and chopped cilantro before serving hot. Measure your aromatics and spices carefully to build authentic flavor for Desi Yakhni. Use 1 cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom pods, 6 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 bay leaf. Add 1 large onion halved and 2 cloves garlic for depth. Opt for bone-in chicken to enrich the stock and include 1 small piece of ginger for warmth. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the soup. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while cooking and they keep my feet comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for the love and support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by bringing the water and spices to a gentle boil, then reduce to a simmer to extract clear Yakhni. Maintain a low simmer with occasional skim to remove impurities, cooking for 45 to 60 minutes depending on chicken size. Remove the chicken, cool slightly, and shred the meat from bones. Strain the broth through a fine sieve, return shredded chicken to the pot, reheat gently, and taste for salt and acidity before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.